Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Login. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your DC Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search DC Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to hrblock.dcbank.ca. It will then take you to the official website of DC Bank. There, enter your email address, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your DC Bank account. To make login easier for next time, you can click to Remember Me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password, click to Forgot Your Password to get help. And if you are new to DC Bank, you can register a new account by clicking to Register Now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.